Hello everyone, this is Sobia, faculty of EVS in Tala Padmavati International School. Today we are going to discuss a topic of class 3, chapter 11, from here to there. The train. Come on children. Here it's a poem where it is going to explain you about the experience which is done with the train journey. So we are going to learn few of the things here. What are that? We'll start with a poem. Come on children, let's play a game. Climb aboard and changing train. Blow your whistles and take your seats. Onto shoulders if you please. So here it is explaining about the children who are going to play and they are going to enact like a train. So you can see that in the picture, the children are catching each other and they are forming like a train. So the train is started with blue color dress girl and the train is ended with pink color dress girl. So where she is having a flag in her hand. And the train starts children when it is a whistle. And when the train starts, what people has to do? The people has to take their seats, right? Yes. Forward, backward, forward, but in a line. Don't run outward. So you can go forward, that is in the train you can go forward as well as you can use it in the backward. Any of the directions are okay, but everyone has to be in a line. They should not be going outwards and they have to maintain the proper line. Stay in line and shut your eyes. With open eyes, you will nothing spy. So here children, you need to go into a line, then you need to form it in a form of line. You have to close your eyes. Obviously, there is no need of opening your eyes because first person where he is going to take you, in which direction he is going to take you, you need to go in that direction itself. So if you open your eyes also, you are unable to see, you are not going to see what is going to happen in your surroundings. And she is going to start running. So by just saying chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. So whenever else they are going to reach the station, obviously it's a thing that they have to stop in the station. And when after stopping in the station, after a few minutes of time, again it has to be started and it has to reach the next station. On the roads of iron, we move to and fro. Here comes the lights and there they go. Across the meadows, over the hills, past aging farmers, temples, mills. So obviously you know that the train is going to cross all the places and it is going to cross the lights and there it is going to cross the hills, farmers, or else you can say agriculture lands or lands, temples, mills. All the things are going to be backward and we just move in a forward direction. Past village, wells and lush green field with broken walls and a potato field. So generally in the ways they are going to pass out the villages. Not only the villages, they are seeing some of the agriculture lands, fields and the broken walls, some of the broken walls and the potato fields and different type of fields in their path. And next, chuk chuk chuk, the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Smoky clouds, fades and crowds, village fairs, riders on mares, flocks of birds, clustered hunts, bridges and paths, dhobi guards, small tea shops, puddles and flocks. So here are the things which are described in the poem, whatever else the things which are seen when they are going to travel. Okay, they are going to see smoky clouds. So not only smoky clouds children, you see the crowd, the people in the stations and in the places nearby to the train rides on maze. So you can see the bikes and vehicles, you can, it means all the vehicles, and you can see the bridges and paths and still you can see dhobi ghats where the people are going to wash their clothes, and small tea stalls, that is tea shops, okay, puddles and flocks. So now we are going to meet few of the children who enjoyed their vacation and how did they travel through reach that place are been explained by them. So first here, so she went to Delhi in the vacation. So generally all the time when they used to go to Delhi, they used to travel by train. This time they traveled by train, but after reaching the railway station to the destination, they used to travel by the bus. But this time they were having a lot of fun because they have traveled through the underground tunnel train. So even when it is an underground tunnel, children, above to the tunnel you can see that there will be vehicles, like all the vehicles are going to travel above the tunnel. But she was saying that we were unable to identify, we were unable to at least feel that few of the vehicles were traveling above the train on the road, right? Next, it's a boy. What is he saying? It was his bua's wedding, and when it was a bua's wedding, he went to the relatives. So after going there, he has enjoyed a lot of time by eating, drinking and playing. Not only that, children, his brother Bhaiya, brother came from America in an aeroplane, and he came from so long distance, that is thousands of kilometers, but then too he has reached his destination within one day. So even the Bua, when they went to the marriage, she was looking so beautiful, and she was sent to the other house in the palanquin. Next, she went to her Nani's house, which was in Kerala, where she lives. And obviously you know that in Kerala we see water everywhere, okay, from the rivers, the seas are a lot. From the station we could have taken a bus or a car to reach her house. Instead we have took a boat straight to her house. I felt strange, but we had fun. So generally they can take bus or car for traveling to their Nani's house, but they travel through a boat, so which she has enjoyed a lot. And next, so here he has journey. His journey was to Shimla during the vacation, children. The bus moved on the zigzag roads on high mountains. So as it was a road was zigzag, so obviously the road was scary whenever else they were looking down, because the roads which are going to be present will be on high mountains, and he had to walk for a longer distance in Shimla. And the reason was here, when he went in the vacation, he went along with his dadi. The dadi was getting tired quickly all the time. So what they have done is they have used the horse as a vehicle. So he did not, the boy did not sat on the horse, he did not ride the horse, but he enjoyed walking beside the horse, whereas Nani was traveling on the horse. Next, one more girl is there. How did she go to her vacation? We'll see. My khala lives very close to her house. Khala in sense it's an aunt. Whenever else she feels like going to her, so what she does is she quickly climbs her cycle and rides to her place. But whereas the mother of that and too, that is the smaller brother of that girl, if they have to come, they compulsory need to take a rickshaw to the Nani's house. But whereas she alone can go by riding the bicycle. Next, I went to my Mamaji's village from the railway station. There was no bus in the village, so he went in the bullock cart. So when he was crossing the village, so he has seen a lot of fields in the village. So he loved the sound which was produced by the bells, which was tied around the necks of the bulls. So here you need to write the names of all the vehicles which they have used in the above experience. So here are the places which are given in the boxes, children, and which vehicle you are going to use, you need to fill it in the boxes. If you want to go to a market, how would you like to go? School, friends, Nani's house, across a river, relatives. So here are few of the places which are given which you need to travel, and which vehicle you like the most to travel by. So here are few of the pictures of the vehicles, and write what these vehicles are used for. So the first one is what is a vehicle used for? Ambulance, wheelchair, truck, four-wheel cart. Okay, so you do have all the. Here are few of the vehicles, children. You need to write what are the uses of these vehicles. And here are two blanks where you need to draw any two vehicles which you can which you want to include in the vehicles which are used in our regular life. So here are few of the names given. Here are few of the names of the vehicles which are given in this wheel, and you need to join on the sides of these numbers of the wheel. Each wheel had to be on the other. Join them in what way it is used then. Okay, bus, bullock cart, car, scooter, rickshaw, car, metro, rails, trains, boats, truck, bicycles, motorcycles. These are the names of the vehicles, and they are some of the clues which has to be matched. Two wheels, they are clues. With those clues you need to match those vehicles. So, and you need to find out from your elders, like around 50 years ago, what were the means of transport for them, how they used to travel from one place to another place. Was it easy for them to travel, or else did they face few of the difficulties? So you just find it out and write there. And here is the things where you need to write the replies, children. Whom you asked. So for example, you have asked yourself, so your own answer. So around 20 years back, what they used to use for the vehicles. Friends you have asked, what the answer they have given. Chacha, teacher, or any of the relatives, or whoever else have you asked, you can write the names of them, and you need to write what are the answers given by them. And you need to make your own train, children, by using empty matchboxes. So here are the names of few of the vehicles. So you need to find out the names of those vehicles. Chuk chuk is train. Peep peep, so it is which vehicle it is going to produce the sound. Pom pom, tup tup, ghar ghar, tring tring. So here are the few vehicles sounds which are given, and you need to find out which vehicles those are. So here is the picture. So the questions are asked based on the picture. What all can you see in the picture? So what you can see, there is a police jeep, an ambulance, and a fire brigade. So where they are trying to stop the fire which is caught in the apartment. What vehicles you can see in the picture? Write those vehicle names. What are three vehicles usually used for? So what are the uses of these 3 vehicles? Just see and identify it. Look at the boxes in the picture, children, on the top. Draw them in the correct sequence in the bottom boxes and color. How do you get what is these names? Already here you can see that they are the picture numbers which are given. 6 number is given in the first box, and that 6 has to be drawn in the 6th box in the second box. And 11 is given in the second box. That 11 has to be drawn in the below box again, and second again in second box. So this is how you are going to draw the picture, and you need to make an overall picture, find out what is it. Okay, so that's it. Now I am going to give you the title of the lesson. Now I am going to give you the project title of this lesson. So what you need to do is, children, you need to share your experience of your longest journey. The longest journey, which vehicles you have used and what you have seen, how did you enjoy, the journey was from which place to which place. Okay, why did you travel, was there any particular destination. Okay, and one more thing, lastly you need to add that which vehicle you like the most in the whole journey, which was the best vehicle in your journey. Okay, so make a project on this title and send us as soon as possible.